Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Full-size folding wireless keyboard. It's 3 channels, you can connect to your phone, laptop, another phone, or tablet. Triple fold, Windows, Android, iOS, Mac OS. And here's some more information. It's PU leather, USB-C charging, middle hinge, numpad. Very convenient to travel with. And fits in this box. To my hanger link. Okay. Keyboard itself. We have a bag. Manual. This is like a kickstand for like a phone or something. Tablet, as you type. Sign. We have USB-C to A. And here is the keyboard. And I guess for reference, I can bring my other keyboard. My compact keyboard here has a non-bed this side. And this one you can fold and travel with. Back, going back. USB-C charging here. It's off right now. Feels like the keyboard I have now. Huh? And then when you're not using it, you can fold it. That's the footprint. About 2 hand length. Okay, so if you're interested in this folding keyboard, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.